The Chinese Evergreen, a beautiful low-maintenance indoor plant. The Chinese Evergreen is a popular houseplant, known for its attractive, patterned leaves that come in shades of green, silver red, and pink. It's an easy care plant that thrives in various indoor conditions, making it perfect for beginners. Growing tips for Chinese Evergreen. Choose the right variety. Aglaonema comes in different colors and sizes, so pick one that suits your home's lighting and decor. Popular varieties include Aglaonema Silver Bay, Red Cyan and Pink Dalmatian. Potting and soil. Use a well-draining potting mix. A mix of pea perlite and sand works well. A pot with drainage holes prevents root rot propagation. Easily propagated by stem cuttings or division. When repotting, place cuttings in water or directly into the soil to grow new plants. Care tips for Chinese Evergreen. Light requirements. Tolerates low to moderate, indirect light, but variegated varieties need brighter light to maintain their colors. Avoid direct sunlight as it can scorch the leaves. Watering. Water when the top 1 to 2 inches of soil feel dry. Reduce watering in winter when growth slows. Overwatering can lead to root rot. Avoid soggy soil. Temperature and humidity. Prefers temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid cold drafts and temperatures below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius. Thrives in moderate to high humidity. Mist occasionally or place near a humidifier. Fertilizing feed with a balanced liquid fertilizer once a month during spring and summer. No need for fertilizing in winter. Pruning and maintenance. Trim yellow or damaged leaves to encourage fresh growth. Wipe leaves with a damp cloth to keep them dust-free. Benefits of growing Chinese Evergreen in your home. Air purification removes toxins like benzene and formaldehyde, improving indoor air quality. Low maintenance. Ideal for busy individuals and beginners. Adds a pop of color varieties with red and pink leaves. Bring vibrancy to any room. Boost smooth and productivity. Indoor plants create a relaxing and stress-free environment. Tolerant of low light, perfect for offices, bedrooms, or spaces with little sunlight. Final thoughts. Chinese Evergreen is one of the easiest and most rewarding houseplants to grow. With its stunning foliage and air-purified benefits, it's an excellent choice for any home or office. Would you like recommendations on the best variety for your space?